What if I told you your plants aren't dying? They're just waiting for one thing you probably already have in your kitchen. And once you use it, the results might shock you. If you're tired of bringing home flowering plants only to see them fade, slow down, and stop blooming, this might be exactly what you need. Today, you're going to learn how to make a simple, natural fertilizer using just milk and water. It's organic, it's easy, and best of all, you won't have to spend a single extra cent. But before we start, like this video and share it with others who love their plants. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe for more down-to-earth, practical gardening tips. Let's talk about this miraculous water. All you need is milk. It's not just for cereal. It's packed with nitrogen, phosphorus, potassium, magnesium, and calcium. These are essential nutrients that support blooming, root strength, and overall plant vitality. Here's how to prepare it. Mix 10 milliliters of milk with 500 milliliters of water. Stir well. Use this mix to water your plants once every 30 days. Just that small dose is enough to revive tired soil, feed the roots, and encourage steady flowering and healthy new growth. You can also use the same mixture as a foliar spray. Put it into a spray bottle and lightly mist the leaves. This not only nourishes your plant through its foliage, but also protects it. Milk acts as a gentle fungicide, helping prevent problems like powdery mildew. Many gardeners overlook this trick, but once you see how well it works, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. I've personally watched my own plants bounce back, with stronger stems, more blooms, and no more fungal issues. Give this natural recipe a try. You won't believe how much difference a bit of milk can make. If this tip helped you, hit that like button and share it with your gardening friends. Take care, may your garden flourish, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.